Hello and welcome to our video today, where we'll be discussing the question on everyone's mind: will AI replace human employment? It's a topic that's been debated for years, and as we move closer to a world where AI is becoming more sophisticated, the question has become more pressing. In this video, we'll explore both sides of the argument and consider the potential consequences of AI on the workforce. What is AI and how does it work? Before we dive into the topic, let's first define what we mean by AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes tasks such as decision-making, language translation, and visual recognition. AI works by using algorithms and machine learning to analyze data and make predictions based on that data. The more data that is fed into the system, the more accurate it becomes. This means that over time, AI can become better than humans at certain tasks. The potential benefits of AI. There are many potential benefits of AI that we should consider. One of the most significant benefits is that AI has the potential to automate many repetitive and mundane tasks that humans currently perform. This would free up time for humans to focus on more creative and complex tasks. AI also has the potential to improve efficiency in many industries. For example, in the manufacturing industry, AI can be used to optimize production processes and reduce waste. This can result in lower costs and higher profits for companies. Another potential benefit of AI is that it can help us solve some of the world's biggest problems. For example, AI can be used to analyze data on climate change and develop strategies for mitigating its effects. The potential risks of AI. While there are many potential benefits of AI, there are also significant risks that we need to consider. One of the most significant risks is that AI could replace human employment in many industries. This could result in widespread job loss and economic disruption. Another risk of AI is that it could be used to perpetuate existing social and economic inequalities. For example, if AI is developed and controlled by a small group of individuals or companies, it could be used to consolidate their power and wealth at the expense of others. AI also raises significant ethical concerns. For example, if AI is used to make decisions that affect people's lives, such as in the criminal justice system or in healthcare, there is a risk that those decisions could be biased or unfair. So, will AI replace human employment? The answer is complicated. While there are many potential benefits of AI, there are also significant risks that we need to consider. As we move forward, it's important that we approach the development and deployment of AI with caution and consideration for its potential impact on society. It's up to us to ensure that AI is developed in a way that benefits everyone, not just a select few. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.